Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is LSU Tiger, and what a pretty fig. It, you know, when it starts to ripen, it gets these very pretty stripes, and then as it gets closer to being fully ripe, and I think this one is close to being ripe, and we'll pull it off and look at it. It starts to change colors from a deeper red to a nice gray here. But yeah, that's pretty to watch ripen. This is a early to mid-season fig for us. We're here in the Pacific Northwest underneath the hoop house, and it's mid-September. So let's go ahead and take this off and see what it looks like. Yeah, that looks good. This is LSU Tiger. It's early to mid-season fig for us. And I haven't tasted this one yet, but I'm pretty sure it's got kind of a berry flavor to it.